Life hacks, 15 gadgets you never knew you needed. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and everyday heroes. Ever feel like there's a better way to tackle those pesky chores? Well, buckle up because we're about to unveil 15 life-changing gadgets that will make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Number 1. Works ZipSnip, scissors on steroids. This power tool tackles materials like leather, plastic, and cardboard with ease. Imagine cutting clean curves or straight lines without breaking a sweat. Plus, it self-sharpens, genius. Number 2. Vampliers, screw removal made easy. Say goodbye to stripped and rusted screws. These bad boys grip tight with their unique teeth, extracting even the most stubborn offenders with minimal effort. Number 3. Permablade, the undercover sharpen knife. This sharper-shaped tool has a secret, a razor-sharp blade hidden inside. Perfect for crafting projects or quick cuts on the go. Number 4. Fix Manufacturing Wheelie Wrench, your pocket-sized toolbox. This tiny titan unfolds to reveal 10 different bits, wrenches, a bottle opener, and even a tire lever. It's like having a mini repair shop in your pocket. Number 5. Whack-It Brass Mini Hammer, reach those tight spots. This compact hammer tackles jobs a regular hammer can't reach, like tapping nails into baseboards or doubling as a nutcracker in a pinch. Number 6. CRKT Snap Lock Knife, the sleek and speedy blade. Backed by popular demand, this stainless steel knife boasts a smooth, side-opening action that locks securely in place. Number 7. Spec Ops Pocket Level, ditch the digital dilemma. Sometimes, old school is best. This pocket-sized level provides clear bubble readings for perfect horizontal and vertical alignment. Plus, it has a magnetic V-groove for gripping metal surfaces. Number 8. Gatto Short Stubby Screwdriver, conquer tiny spaces. This palm-sized powerhouse fits snugly in your hand and reaches those hard-to-reach screw holes. Keep one in your toolbox, backpack, or even your car for ultimate convenience. Number 9. Lexivon V10 Camping Hatchet, the mighty mini axe. This compact axe packs a punch, making it ideal for chopping firewood or clearing branches on your next camping adventure. Number 10. Skill Power Core Auto Hammer, power up your nail projects. Confined spaces and hammering don't have to be a nightmare. This cordless hammer drives nails up to 3.5 inches with ease, featuring a one-handed magnetic nail holder and adjustable head angles. Number 11. Wallabot DIY, see through your walls. This gadget acts like a superpower, letting you see what's hidden behind your walls. From pipes to wires, it helps you tackle DIY projects with confidence. Number 12. AuxLift, out-of-sight storage solution. This innovative system helps you declutter your space effortlessly. Raise and lower your stored items with a wireless remote, eliminating the need for precarious ladders. Number 13. Lamp Swan Flexible Light, bend the light to your will. This versatile flashlight has a bendable neck, allowing you to focus the light exactly where you need it. Perfect for reading, working on car repairs, or exploring dark corners. Number 14. Nail Holder Pliers, no more finger smashing. These safety pliers hold nails steady for you, eliminating the risk of hammering your fingers. Different grooves accommodate various nail sizes. Number 15. Pocket Barbecue Grill Cleaning Tool, keep your grill sparkling. Ditch the dangerous wire brushes. This compact scraper tool removes grime from your grill grate safely and efficiently. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. So there you have it. 15 ingenious gadgets to make your life easier and more efficient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome discoveries.